Today we're making for you ripe banana fry fritters. So first you put in your ripe banana, get your fork, mash them out. Then you add your flour. After your flour, then a little sugar to bring up the little sweet, not much. After your sugar, you put in your vanilla, about a cork or two. Then you add your salt to taste. After that, now you put in a little nutmeg, bring up the flavor. Okay, after that, now we're gonna mix everything together before you add the water. Make sure it is distributed evenly. Add your water and mix until it is smooth. Okay, now for the frying process. Put your pot on the fire, add your oil, and drop your fritters in it. Medium to low heat. Okay, look at those colors. And here is the finish this lovely breakfast idea with a nice cup of tea. For more, please subscribe to this channel and press like and share with a friend.